Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Hi Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with a video for y'all. So today, if you guys are keeping up, I'm shooting a vlog right now. I just did my wig install video, so you guys can check that out. Now I'm gonna move on to the makeup. So this is gonna be a makeup video. I am going to an event tonight. I'm going to Lotto's birthday party. So it's like a celebrity type of event. I got like an invitation to it. Super excited, never done anything like it before. So I wanna look good. So yeah, it's cowboy type of theme. I have my hat here because I was just trying to figure out like how I wanna wear my hair. But yeah, so it's kind of big right now. I'm gonna put some more mousse on it and water once it gets closer to me getting in the Uber. But I do like the big hair. It definitely gives me like Wild West. But if anything, I'm gonna make sure I have a red lip because I wanna pop out, I wanna stand out. So I think I'm gonna do like a burgundy or like a red lip. So let's go ahead and hop into it. First thing I did was put some primer on my face. I just used coconut oil. And to kind of balance out that coconut oil, I'm gonna take this Airspun right here in a very much dirty beauty blender, disgusting. But yeah, I'm just gonna take that and kind of put that all over my face. My friend taught me this trick and I liked it the last time I did it, so hopefully I like it again. And basically you put the translucent powder under your makeup, like your foundation and everything. So we're doing that first. Well, I'm super excited and I just feel like it's gonna be a fun event anyway. And the fact that it's themed, I love a theme party. Anybody that knows me knows I love to dress up in a theme. So the theme is Wild West. My outfit is mad cute. I have my hat I just showed you guys. And so I was gonna do cow print on my eyes, and unfortunately, I don't have that type of time to try to experiment and do that and try to learn how to do it. I don't have that type of time. So I'm gonna take this NARS and this ISU foundation and combine them together. Y'all already know. So I'm gonna use the back of my hand to mix these two together. I'm like stressed because I'm like trying to rush. I have to be there by a certain time, and honestly, I suck at time management. Like, I'm just really bad at time management, so. And I just don't like being rushed. I hate being rushed because it's like I have to look a certain way. I have to look the way that I envision myself to look. So if I don't, then I don't know, I start getting like anxiety. The fact that I'm kind of like running out of time right now is kind of stressing me out, to be honest. Because I like to take my time and I like to look good, and I like to make sure I got all my accessories and everything that I need for my complete look. So yeah, we're doing makeup. I'm looking a little orange for my liking, but hopefully we can fix that. Basically the foundation combination that I use is on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's looking a little orange to me. So I'm gonna try to like balance it out with this pencil here. I mean concealer or whatever. And what I'm gonna do, real ghetto, is just take it and kind of put it all over my face so that I can mix it into this one that's already here on my face. If that makes sense. I feel like I'm not making no sense, y'all. But yeah, you see what I'm doing. I'm putting it all over my face so that I can blend it to try to get some of that orange Oompa Loompa-ness out, because I just feel like I'm looking a little orange. Next, what I'm gonna do is take this super bright concealer and try to do a little bit of the bright under eye type of vibe. I don't know how this is gonna go, never used it, just opened it, so. Just to create a little bit of a brighter eye, and then we'll take it down here. I usually don't contour and highlight, but tonight I'm about to see if I can do it really quick. I really wanted this to be like a 15-minute look because literally it's like 8:05 and I gotta call my Uber at like 8:20. The place is 30 minutes away. I need to be there by at least 9:30. It says no later than 9:30. So I'm trying to like manage my time better, because y'all know, like, if you watch my channel, if you guys have been watching my channel, I'm just horrible at time management. I have horrible time management. And I kind of just hate doing things that require me to be there at a certain time. I know it sounds crazy, but like, I want to take my time. Like, why do I feel so much anxiety? It's not even fun. Like, the purpose of this night is to have fun, party, and all of that. But literally, my stomach is in knots because I'm trying to make sure I do everything I need to do in order to look good and look the way that I want to look, that I envision my outfit to be. So yeah, that under eye concealer didn't really do much. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more literally right here. But I don't want my makeup to look cakey or like get cakey. I do not want that. So I'm not gonna do too much after this. This is it. If it don't work, oh well. So I'm taking this right here, this little powder. Oh no, we about to see. So what I'm trying to do is carve out my face a little bit. Right, this second we're gonna do eyebrows because they need to be done. I mean, I'm wearing a hat, so they don't have to be like super duper perfect, but I just feel like I need to touch them a little bit. What I'm gonna take is a black eyeliner and do my waterline. I just personally really like that look, so we're gonna do that. And I'm just doing the bottom waterline.
Like that, and the other side.
I'm gonna bake a little bit more and put some of this on my T-zone pretty much because that's where I get like oily. And since I'm gonna be out pretty much all night, I just wanna make sure I'm not super oily and looking crazy. Cause I'm trying to get some pictures, baby. I got a new blush from Ulta today too, so we're gonna use this. Super cute. Okay, so some blush. I feel like this side is a little bit more pigmented, so I'm gonna try to blend it, just pat it so it can kind of settle down because it was a little bit more pigmented than this side. So next thing I'm gonna do is do highlight. Love highlight, gotta have some highlight. So nose. Yeah, I literally just did my nose in there. So nose, make sure it's shiny. And then I try to get a lot on my brush and do like my cheeks. This hair is so in the way. Yeah. Try to make sure it's on there good. So we got Juvia's palette. This is the first time I've ever used it. We got the color Culture. I think this is a gloss, so I'm about to see how this works. I'm very scared because the last thing I want is for this stuff to like transfer everywhere and get like all over my lips because red stains. And then on top of that, I don't want it like on my teeth and stuff. Imagine you talking to someone, oh my God, and then there's red lip gloss all over your teeth. Like, I just don't want no issues. So this is how it looks. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cake. Ugh. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is put my Charlotte Tilbury on, but I'm trying to like see the vision because I might just do a brown depending on if this looks bad. All right, so this is my Charlotte Tilbury spray. I did a very generous amount today just because I'm about to be out and I'm taking an Uber, so it's not like I can like freshen up in my car or whatever. So I just want to make sure the makeup looks good throughout the night. But yeah, this is the look. Let me show you guys with some light. So yeah, this is the look. I'm gonna get changed and see if I like the red lipstick. If not, I'm gonna do brown, but I just feel like my whole outfit's pretty much just brown and white, so I wanted like a pop of color. And so I thought the red would like stand out, but this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my makeup, even though, you know what I'm saying, it was pretty basic. It wasn't no eyeshadow or nothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look of me doing my makeup. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you will be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and make sure you watch out for that vlog of me actually going to the event so you guys can see like the full outfit and the event itself and me in the environment. So yeah, look out for that video, that vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.